Hello guys, good afternoon. So today I'm not trading, so that's why I just came to analyze the markets live, because I was changing some settings in my other system yesterday, and I could not record a video, so that's why I just came live now. So let's start with the video. So let's start. So today what happened was, let me just go through my screen. Okay, so I'm now viewing daily charts. Okay. So what happened today? Markets opened, specifically the bank nifty opened like around 500 points lower, and it has now recovered everything, but it's still, there is a point that it has to fill this gap, which it has not till now, and there is a trend line, a daily trend line, which is going, so it is just perfectly touching the daily trend line. But still, like, eventually when it breaks this trend line, then 45,000 is coming. 44,941 is the bare minimum, and there is a good chance it will go up to 44,589, which comes out to the previous breakout levels, so which was acting as a resistance earlier. Now it can act as a support. So let's go into 4-hour charts. 4-hour also the same, not much to discuss here. Let's go to 1-hour charts. So also let me go back to daily, and this is the red line which I drew for daily, but it went higher than my expected levels. I thought maybe the daily will it will stop the move, but what happened was it closed above daily as well. So that's why I was thinking maybe it will go long, but just one day with HDFC falling, everything came crashing down. So 2000 points fall in just one day is it's a very big deal actually. So when it eventually, even though if it goes back up, there is a good chance it will fall back. And I'm not trading today because I earned some good profits yesterday, and it's better to just take 1 or 2 days leave to reset my mind and to have that psychological feeling. So that's why I'm not trading. And today, even like the premiums are sky high. As I can see, the bank nifty straddle is now trading at like around 1050 points, which is like way higher than normal, because normally on a Thursday the straddles will be trading somewhere around 700 levels, so the points are like around 300 points to 350 points higher than the normal Thursday levels. So there is a good chance that these straddle prices will be declining, and the call options gaining, or like the put options gaining, maybe it will be lost just by theta decay. So it's better to just sit out in case when I'm not happy with it, because normally I like the premiums between 250 and 300 rupees. So 250 and 300, the premium comes out to, if I want to buy a put option at 250 premium, then I will need to buy 45,500 put options, which is way out of the money. and it may not increase much even though if the market falls. And also the VIX is now around 2.5% down. So that is also one more thing. So with the falling VIX, if you are going into option buying, then there is a very good chance that you'll be making loss, even though if your direction is right. So I'm just avoiding to trade today. So let's go to 1 hour chart. 1 hour. Okay, so since today the market has been steadily rising, so it's all three white candles, quite good. And also it has exactly taken support. One is the trend line form factor, and second one is there was the previous low is also near today's low. So it will eventually fill this gap, but let's see, maybe not today, maybe after several days, maybe it will fill. So let's go to 15 minutes chart intraday. And yeah, there is still this big hole which it will fill eventually. The big gap is around 891 points, which is just yesterday's opening, like below 46,700 caused that big gap. So I think that will eventually get filled, but don't know when. Okay, so the 15-minute chart also I think the daily level at 46,369 can hold today. I don't think there will be much upside left. And where did it close? Okay, so I'll be waiting to see if there is any candle there's any blue candle whose body is completely below the 46,369 levels, because if there is, then definitely it will be confirmation to go short till 44,500, 589. This is where the daily candle is, and yeah, if there is any blue candle below this, then we can look to go shorts. Or else this may be considered as a black swan event, and maybe it will go up. Let's say it's like we cannot just predict it just by now, by looking at it now. I still feel that markets may go up till 46,369, and from here it may take a resistance and then come back down, because it's been steadily rising. So it might seem good, but my bias is still to go short. Let me draw it. If the market goes here, then we can look to go shorts till this level, 44,586. So this is the level which I think might work, maybe not today. Also the premiums are too high just to trade. It's not up to my liking, so I'll just skip today. Even with falling premiums, with falling VIX, the premiums are too high. It just indicates that people are a little bit shaken by yesterday's 2000 point move, and they believe that yes, if the market can move in one day, it can move 2000 points, then definitely in 1 week it can easily move 1000 points, but which was not the case earlier. And this is just a reaction. It is just a basic human reaction, and that is panic. Okay, so that is what is causing the premiums to just skyrocket. And if you know how to trade and like how to manage your positions, then there should not be so much of panic. But mm, people are just like too afraid as of right now. So that's why the put option premiums are just way higher. 46,000 put option is trading at 466. And 46,000 call option is trading at 600. Oh my god. 46,000 at the money call option is now trading at, and it's now trading at 600. That is way higher. 600 points, man. That is too much. It's like per lot is 8,000 rupees. Way too high for my liking, but so anyways, yeah, this is what I feel. The markets may not go higher than the previous the daily candle, and today maybe it may not fall back another 500 points. So I think today's candle will be white, and maybe tomorrow's candle, maybe we can see a fall tomorrow. And if there is a blue candle below 46,369, then definitely it's a first indication that markets are going short for a longer period of time. I mean, so let me go to the daily charts again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if the markets, I mean, today it most probably will be a white candle, and maybe it will invite another several more people to just join with the buying frenzy. But I still believe that if the markets are not able to sustain above 46,369, then there is no use to go long. We can just go shorts, and market may just remain in this zone just to break the trend line. And once the trend line is broken, then what may happen is, I'm sorry, let me draw in the daily charts as well. So let's say if the market breaks the trend line, then it may come back and have a retest at this and then fall. Okay, and if it falls like that, then it will go even deeper till 43,660. So this is where the markets will be going. If in case it breaks the trend line, has a retouch, and then goes back down. Let me just change the color so that we know it's I do it in daily time frame. So this is it basically. Markets going down. Also, I'm just using a free version to just draw the trend lines, because there's actually, it works. We don't need any premium features just to look at the markets. Let me even like, okay, I'll just What else can I see? Okay, so this is again, I came back to 5-minute candles, and let me just go back to 3 minutes just to see if there is anything else in 3 minutes which I can spot. Yep, even the 3 minutes looks almost the same. Yep, there's a good chance that it will come back to 46,300 if in case there is some kind of short covering. Okay, yeah. It's still not an indication to go short. Better like wait for it to come till 46,369 or something, or even above 46,179. Okay, so I'll still prefer to go short in this area, not right now. Because even though if it seems to have broken the previous low, and it's trading below near its first low, there's still some accumulation being done in this zone, so maybe the market may bounce back from this level. So let me just add 46,000. When is the expiry? Expiry 24th. 46,000 banknifty. When is the expiry for this week? 25th Jan. It's okay. It's not on 24th. It's 25th, so it's just January expiry. Okay. Just because the month ends on a Wednesday, and yeah, that's the reason why it's a little bit confusing. So this is we have like around normally it's 7 days, now it's 8 days, so that's why there is some additional premium, but it's still too high. So if the premium continues to be this high even tomorrow, maybe I'll even skip tomorrow and take a long holiday. But this is what it is, and I think, yeah, if it comes even higher, then there's a good chance to go short, but not before that. Okay, so also if we go higher, if we go like, okay, now the market is trading at 45,875, and even 46,000 call option is trading at 500, and just just some time ago when I started the analysis, it was trading at 600. Okay, so you can imagine like 100 points just got wiped out, while the put option, it rose like from 500 to 550. So that's why let me go to 5-minute chart in this premium, and I'll see. Yes, the premium was trading at 735 at 12:10 in the 5-minute chart, and now at 12:47 it is now trading at 512. Okay, so how many points? 200 and 220 points is swiped out in like around 30 minutes. And how much did the market move in the same 5-minute candle? Okay, let's say 210. Okay, 210, 177. Let's just mark. Market moved 300 points, and the premium like it went down by 230 points, which is just crazy. Okay, it is not supposed to behave like this, especially with like at the money the delta would have been like 0.5. So if the markets move like 300 points, then it should have lost like around 150, but now it's losing almost like 200 to 230. So this is just extremely crazy just because of the high VIX. I mean, the VIX is low, and the premiums are too high at this point. So we can try option selling, but not worth it. Also, as you can see, the market. So today the call option prices went from 400 till 700, and now it's back till 469. Okay, but the markets are yet higher by around 500, by around 200 points, but the premiums are just 80 points higher. So it's just a crazy environment right now. I'll still not go short because I'm just not happy that uh, markets are not like, it's not like, let's say okay, let me rephrase it. I'm just not comfortable with the premiums and the market behavior. So it's just better to just slow down and then watch from the sidelines rather than going all in and then like trading something. Okay, let's check. 375 to 661. Okay, the put options went from 365 to 661. That is also way higher. 70 or 75, 70. And the put option premium just shot up like more than 250 points just in the same span. So 250 points to 375. Yeah, it is as if the VIX is high. I don't know why, but just today markets are going crazy. Okay, albeit like, let's just think that maybe it is because of one extra day, but still not a very good day to trade. For me actually. Therefore, I have already made up my mind that today is not a good day, so maybe I'm biased towards that. But we'll still say So anyways, this is my analysis, and I'll not go short till it comes back till here, or if in case it breaks today's low, then we can plan to go shorts. Until then, it's just better to just stay in the sidelines and watch, because market may bounce back again. Who knows? It's just that when the premiums are like, when the straddle premiums are 1,000 points, then you can definitely wait for like a 300-point move up and down. You'll still not have any problems with the straddle. So 46,000 straddle is the point where it's where the majority of majority of the action is. 6 and still the straddles are trading at the same rate. So whoever made the straddle today at, let's say, 45,500, market opened there, right? So yeah, 775 and 382. The straddles here are even more crazy. So 7 and 10, 11, 1150 points is the trading range. And so the market started at 45,500, so they would have taken a straddle at 45,500, and it just works for them because market 1100 points straddle. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, they will still end up making some money because there will be decay. Of course, it's like 1 p.m. and there definitely will be some kind of decay. So it's just a game of waiting and watching. And for me, it's time to sign off and do something else. Maybe I'll see. Even tomorrow, if the premiums are this crazy, then I'll even skip tomorrow. And I'll just watch from the sidelines, and then take a very good weekend, and then come back again on Monday to trade even better. And if in case you want some educational content, like something related to futures and options, then definitely mention it in the comments. Like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll meet you guys soon. See you.